I put little bees inside of the hair today, so I have a fluffy blue slime. So yeah. Okay guys, so let's get to making this stuff. So what I do is I take a little bit of the slime. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this makeup palette kit right here. And then I'm gonna try to make it really glittery. So I'm gonna take all the glitter stuff out.
Meghan Markle's in the home stretch for her royal wedding in May, but whatever happened to the fellow who gave her her first kiss? Well,
Glittery
a lost video of Meghan, which proves she practiced being a royal a very long time ago.
Sorry.
Something we didn't even back then. The just surfaced video shows Meghan wearing a gold crown in Los Angeles back in 1990. She has a starring role in a backyard play. Meghan's friends are her royal court, and befitting a queen, they tend to her every whim.
Okay, come on, guys.
And here's lost video of a fully dressed Meghan at another birthday party, and she's very straightforward. Meghan, are you bored? Meghan played with the other kids and caught the attention of the birthday clown, who gave her a balloon sculpture. 5 years later, when Meghan was 13, there came a big moment. It was her first kiss. She talked about it in this long-forgotten Larry King interview.
Sorry, guys. I love slime. So, for when I use this, I'm gonna use.
What happened to that youngster?
I have no idea. Maybe this color. I'm gonna use the pink color. Yeah, so I'm gonna use pink for them stuff. So they say the eyeshadow makes it pearly. Not sure. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this right here.
And about that first kiss? How'd that come about? She's the one who made the move. I think it was probably a situation where she worked up the courage and just made a move, and
Okay, this lip gloss is really glittery. I already put some on if you can see it.
he says they related to each other because they are both mixed race. I think
Sorry, guys. He's gonna be coming up and down, so. I'm so sorry. Let's just put that right there. Next thing I'm gonna put on here is this. Yeah, I'm not sure what it is. So, it's like the stuff you put on your eyelashes, but.
a sobbing child hugging a police officer in the aftermath of the Ferguson disturbances in
So what happened to that steel wood I had on the table up here?
15-year-old
Huh? What's steel wood? Must be in the drawers down on the other side.
Huh?
I'm so
Must be
sorry.
in the drawers on the
I'm
other
sorry.
side.
I am so weird.
On the other side.
So, I'm gonna
Right
put
there.
this.
And pull the drawer out. Yeah, what's
Sorry,
spoon
they're
there?
talking now.
Down at the bottom.
Let's do this thing.
Ain't some steel wood down there? But go to the next drawer.
I love the way it's so good. They smell good.
I don't know this. I ain't moved.
He's coming back up soon, so sorry guys. That's how it looks when I put everything on.
Friday, they alerted Child Protective Services. Social workers called at the house 3 times, but the family had left in a hurry. Now their SUV
I don't want to make a mess.
one 100-foot cliff 500 miles away in Northern California. The vehicle turned off the highway and traveled 75 feet before plunging into the Pacific Ocean. Police say there were no skid marks, leading to
Oh yeah.
the death plunge was deliberate.
Kidding me?
They call it was a gesture of peace amid violent protests over police shootings. The CompuNet photo, Sergeant Brett Barnes,
What's nothing happened?
the tragic news about Devontae and his
Well,
family.
it's a little bit glittery, but
The short interaction
nothing
with
brutally
Devontae
happened.
reinforced my love, passion, and duty in providing
It
service to my
barely happened.
community.